Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday December the 8th 2021. We have only three regular Sudokus: Sudoku killer Sudoku, binary puzzle, and a medium Sudoku, but no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the yesterday's edition, the rest of the puzzles. Yes, yesterday edition, Tuesday, December the 7th, 2021. We have four puzzles left: Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So four puzzles are left yesterday, and the first puzzle I will solve will be a 1 star Sudoku. 1 star Sudoku number 3799. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Let me see. Yeah. All right. 6, 7. Yeah. 7. Yeah. Okay. Let me start with 7. Yeah, the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the first column. So no 7 in these two boxes. Here 7. No 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. Then 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So no row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in that box. Here 6, no 6 in this box. There 6, no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. Another 6 in this column. So no 6 in this box. So one box left for the 6 should be there. All right. Okay. Then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square. So no 7 in this box. Here 7 in this column. So no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Another 7 here in the last column. So no 7 in this box. So one box left for the 7 should be there. All right. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column. So no 7 in these two boxes. Here 7, no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. All right. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 here. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay. Then. How about these two missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. A little break. Well. How about I'm thinking. Two missing numbers in this row. Second row, those numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column. First column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? Let me see. The 3 still cannot. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. And 5. Interesting. Yeah. 5, 1, 6. Yeah, we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. Together with the 7, we have a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, let me mark those two boxes. Alright. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 3 is missing. Okay, and the 4 is missing. No, we have a 4 here. 4 and the 5 is missing. Yeah, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in these two boxes should be the 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 2 and the 9. Let me mark those two boxes. A lot of pairs in this one star puzzle. I don't think this is really a 1 star. I think, 1, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, and a 5, 5, 5. No. 1, 4, 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, and 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, and look, we have a 4 and a 5 in the last row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Cannot fill this. Oh, well, we have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. Okay. How about 1, 4. Yeah, these are 3 missing numbers. In the first column, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this row, third row, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4. 1 box left in the first column for the number 5. Okay, now we have a 5 there, so this box should be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 7, I believe. 1 and 7, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. A lot of pairs. 2 and a 9. 3, 3. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So the 2 and a 9. Okay, 2 and a 9. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can say. See. Digit number 2, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be 2. Yeah. All right. Then. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, we have here 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers here in this big square. I remember the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 2. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left. Oh, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Last, the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, it's not a 1 star, but let me give this a 2 stars, yes. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And there are a lot of pairs in this 1 star. So I'm very surprised. But I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.